Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. This is the part 5 of NCERT Exemplar Problem with Solution series. In this part, we will try to solve question number from 25 to 35. Now let's get started. Question number 25 is, which of the following statement is incorrect? So there are 4 statements and we have to choose the incorrect one. So the incorrect statement is C. That is, movement of molecule does not take place among cell, which is absolutely incorrect. In organisms, there is movement of molecules that take place between cells, and this happens due to the process of diffusion osmosis. So this is the absolutely incorrect statement. Now the next question. The internal cellular energy reserve in autotroph is. So the answer of this question is starch. In plants, autotroph means plants. So in plants, food stored in form of starch. So the answer number C is the correct one. Now the question number 27. Which of the following equation is the summary of photosynthesis? So the correct answer is for this question is option number C. That is 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O chlorophyll plus sunlight gives glucose plus O2 plus water. And this question is as it is framed from page number 96, which is given in your NCERT book. There this reaction is given as it is. The next question is also from the NCERT book, topic photosynthesis, that is on page number 96, where the events of photosynthesis are given, and there are 3 events. First, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second, conversion of light energy to chemical energy. Third one, reduction of CO2 to carbohydrate. And this question is also related to the events that happen in photosynthesis. But this question states that which event does not occur. So the answer number C is true in regards that oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide, which is absolutely incorrect. That is, reduction happen in this step. So this is the incorrect statement, that is option number C. All the rest 3 options are absolutely true. Now the next questions, that is, opening and closing of stomatal pore depends upon. This question is framed from page number 97 in your NCERT books, and these lines are written as such, that is, the opening and closing of the pore is a function of guard cells, and guard cells swell when water flows into them, causing the stomatal pore to open. Similarly, the pore closes if the guard cells shrink. So the opening and closing of stomatal pore depends upon water in guard cell. Now the next question, choose the form in which plant absorb nitrogen. So plant mostly absorb nitrogen in the form of nitrate, nitrites and urea. So the correct option for this question is B, that is nitrates and nitrites and urea. Now the next question, which is the first enzyme to mix with food in the digestive tract? This question is framed from NCERT book page number 99, that is, which is related to nutrition in human beings, in which you can see that the digestion process starts from the mouth, and in mouth saliva is present, and saliva contain an enzyme which is called salivary amylase. And salivary amylase break down starch, which is complex molecule, to give simple sugar. So the first enzyme to mix with food in digestive tract is present in mouth, in saliva, and that enzyme is salivary amylase. That is option number C. Now the next question, that which of the following statements are correct? Question number 32, question number 33 are framed from this flow chart which is given on page number 102 from your NCERT book, that is breakdown of glucose by various pathways. This is very important and many questions are framed from this pathway. So the question is that which of the following statements are correct. So the correct statements are first and fourth, that is pyruvate can be converted into ethanol and CO2 by yeast, which is true, and fermentation is a form of anaerobic respiration, which is also true. So answer number C. Now the next question, lack of oxygen in muscle often leads to cramp among cricketers. This result due to? Actually, lack of oxygen in muscles leads to cramp due to conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. That is option number D. And both these questions are framed from these flowchart, as I told you that is first option is that in absence of oxygen in yeast, pyruvate is converted into ethanol, CO2 and energy. And second one is that pyruvate is converted into lactic acid in absence of oxygen in our muscle cell. So this flowchart is very important. Now the next question, that is choose the correct path of urine in our body. This question came from page number 110, that is excretory system in human beings. As you can see that in excretory system it contains ureter, then urinary bladder, then urethra. First kidney, then ureter, then urinary bladder, then urethra. Kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and then urethra. This diagram is given on page number 110. So the answer of 34 question is kidney, then ureter, then urinary bladder, then urethra. So the option number C is the correct one. Now the last question of this multiple choice question type, that is during deficiency of oxygen, that means lack of oxygen in tissues of human being, pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid. That is true in muscles. So which part? That is cytoplasm. Chloroplast is not present in human beings. In mitochondria, in absence of oxygen does not take place. In Golgi body does not take place. The answer number A is correct, that is cytoplasm. And this question is also framed from this flowchart, that is this one. That is lack of oxygen, pyruvate converted into lactic acid in our muscle cells in cytoplasm. In mitochondria, presence of oxygen will be required. So in absence of oxygen, it happens in muscle cells in cytoplasm region. So the answer of this question is A, that is cytoplasm. This is all about in this part. I have covered all the question of multiple question series. In the next series, we will discuss the short answer type question of the chapter number 6 NCERT exemplar. Till then, thank you so much.